Step Up on 5th was designed by Brooks and Scarpa and completed in April of 2009. The primary purpose of the structure is to provide housing for the homeless and mentally ill. Its location of downtown Santa Monica, California lies in the heart of Climate Region 17. This climate region is characterized by somewhat large temperature swings from day to night, with an average yearly temperature of 64.9 degrees. Cool and humid winds from the Pacific keep temperatures in the comfort zone for 64% of the year. Due to desert winds from the east, hot and dry air can cause variations in local microclimates. This mild climate makes Step Up on 5th very suitable for the three-tier approach to passive design. Thermal mass retains heat from the sun throughout the day and then releases it at night. Any additional heat that is needed is provided by mechanical systems. The strategy employed in this three-tier design approach include orientation, natural ventilation, thermal mass, shading, natural sunlight, stormwater management, and a common boiler and radiant heating system.